Hello everybody, welcome to Mii Paintings. I'm Veronika Mii and Christmas is around the corner, so I decided to show you some Christmas theme acrylic pour. And I know this year has been an unexpected ride for all of us, but I hope you'll find some happiness in creating beautiful art and in painting, because painting makes me happy. I'll be using these three colors. It's permanent violet, cadmium red and phthalo blue, and I mixed them with some shiny colors. So I put in my purple and blue and red, I put a little bit of these mica colors. This is royal purple, sapphire blue and amaranth red. So these are the shiny colors which I added in my mixture. I will put a link down in the description box if you'll be interested. And I wanted to explain what I did with my colors. I mix my colors with pouring medium. I make my own pouring medium from glue and water. I use this type of glue, PVA glue. It's just a regular glue which my children use in kindergarten. And you can actually make quite a lot of pouring medium out of this, because you mix 60% of that glue and 40% of water, and this mixture creates your pouring medium. So when I have this, I mix my colors with pouring medium and I mix them in ratio 1:1. So 1 part of acrylic colors and 1 part of pouring medium. I will also put 1 drop of silicone oil in each color, like this, 1, 1, 1, and I mix it up a little bit, not too much. And my white is mixture of pouring medium and white acrylic color. This time I used this. I don't know what brand it is. I buy this in a local art shop. It's quite a lot, 750 milliliters, and it works well. So I mixed 30% of that white acrylic color and 70% of pouring medium. That white is quite thick, so you don't have to use that much color, and you can use more pouring medium. And there's no silicone in my white. So I've got my round canvas here, which is 20 centimeters round canvas, and I'm going to pour my white in here and cover the whole canvas with my white. Now I'm gonna pour a little bit of that white in the middle, and then I start with this phthalo blue. Here we go. Then my purple. And my red. Here we go. So time to blow it. I don't have a hair dryer, so I'll try with my mouth. Look at that. That will be perfect for my Christmas theme. Let's try to blow these. Let's try to cover these white parts. That's beautiful. That's perfect. I'm going to use my heat gun. It should create some bigger cells. This is the one which I'm using, just a cheap one from Lidl, but it works well. Yeah, that's perfect. That will be a beautiful background for my upcoming idea. I'm gonna let this dry for about 3-4 days, and then I'm gonna show you what to do next. I think these cells will grow into bigger cells and they will create a beautiful pattern. Welcome back. My pour is dry and it turned out really beautiful. You can already see some lines which I draw on my pour, and for that I used just a regular baking paper, and it works well as a tracing paper, so I traced all these lines. It's the easy way how you can do it. And now I will paint my beautiful snowflake acrylic pour, and for that I will start with my Posca acrylic marker. So I will draw all these lines so it's easier for me to see where I should put my black shades. So that's done, and now I want to create a nice round circle around my snowflake, and I've got this round piece from cardboard, and I'm going to draw a circle around my snowflake. Because I think that circle will add another dimension. It's not very visible right now, but here comes the most satisfying part. I start filling all these gaps with my black acrylic marker, Space Black. I will put a link down in the description box if you'll be interested. It's very easy and very relaxing. And I'm going to fill this middle part with black acrylic color. This one I'm using Mars Black, and my tiny brush, which is size 0. So I just put my brush in a little bit of that black and fill these middle parts. So here's my snowflake, all covered in black. Painting these edges with white, and you can use any type of acrylic marker for that. It's very easy. And the last step is I'm going to paint some shadows around my snowflake. You don't have to do this step, but it helps with the 3D look. It will look more 3D. I just use black acrylic color and make shades around here, around all these lines. So it will have that 3D look. And this is the result of my special snowflake acrylic pour. I love how it turned out. I love the background, which was perfect for this embellishment. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it inspirational. If you did, please give a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. You can also join my Facebook group, Create With Me, and show us your beautiful art. I would like to wish you beautiful Christmas time and mainly good health, because that's the main thing, and also loads of love and great inspiration. Enjoy your Christmas time and see you soon. Bye.